What's good, fam? Alright, so boom. I got some more info I want to tell y'all. This is just a little testimonial. It's writing Shreem Brzee daily or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But today, I think I was writing it in the morning and at lunchtime, and yeah, it was just extra people just giving me gifts, and it was just extra food, people giving out food. I got 2 Christmas gifts. I got a gift card to a restaurant for $30. I got a whole Christmas blanket that I know my girlfriend gonna love, you know what I'm saying? Just, great gifts, you know what I'm saying? And that's what you'll start to see. That'll probably be the first thing you start seeing when you start your Shreem Brzees. Yeah, it's a little hot in here, man. I'm sweating. Goddamn. That's what you'll start noticing first off, most likely, will be people giving you stuff. That's how you'll know Shreem Brzee is working. That's a cheat code, you know. If everything's regular, you know what I'm saying, and you just like, damn, my mom gave me $20 today, like, yeah, just because it's your mom don't mean that ain't no blessing, you know. That don't mean it ain't Shreem Brzee. Just cause your, older brother is like, hey man, here's $5, or, here's a 20, go get me something to eat. Oh, here's your change, bro, I'll keep that, Shreem Brzee, don't ever doubt it, And once you get a big one, once you let those compile up, that'll build up your Shreem Brzee confidence, and that'll just make it even more powerful, because Shreem Brzee is a seed sound, you know what I'm saying? Once you plant that seed, it's just gonna grow, and all the experiences is like roots. Every experience you get, it's gonna add way more strength exponentially, because, you know what I'm saying, one experience is like, okay, I got $10, right after I wrote it. Okay, boom. I got, a free gift card. Okay, boom, that's another route. Now your Shreem Brzee plant all these experiences, it's got a real strong base, and now it's just growing real strong, and all them Shreem Brzee. So now that's why it's exponential, and it's just powerful, man. Just write it down and chant it. What else? Oh, how to make Shreem Brzee more powerful. Group chanting. That's it. Group chanting is powerful. If you can chant, group chant, I'll recommend this. If you can start a group chant somewhere. I was thinking about trying to do it online here, like with some Gmail or whatever, like have a whole little session where people come in and we can group chant, but I was just thinking like that might have some technical interference. That might be because we might not be chanting and saying stuff. You know how it's a little bit of a couple second lag. That might throw things off, but if you think that's a good idea, just let me know and shit. We can start a group, Shreem Brzee group chant, because I know the people, all y'all watching these videos, y'all probably as serious as I am and got experience with it, so I'm just on the way to the top, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to come with me, you know what I'm saying? But I just, because this is a whole story. I'm a real visionary, and I know, homie, you commented yesterday saying that, this shit from my channel might take off. Like, yeah, honestly, it was funny because I was thinking about that the other day. I'm like, I'm not stopping with this Shreem Brzee shit, so it's most likely, you know what I'm saying, it's about to build up a whole lot of energy, because this is just what we gotta, what you gotta do. Because people don't want to admit it, but you need fucking money. We all want to be rich. Nobody want to come out and say, yeah, I want a fucking $1 million. I want to be rich. Just because the stigmas we have on it, you rich, oh, tons of money. Oh, people, and I'm a rapper and I got tons of money. Oh, now people think I'm Illuminati. No. You might just know the keys to the universe, But first and foremost, we need money, you know what I'm saying? Money is important, so people, you know what I'm saying, just have to realize that one way or another, you gotta operate with this shit, and you gotta use it in this realm, in reality that we in. So you might as well, have the best relationship with it, and, get as much as you can so you can be, comfortable and happy. So shit. But yeah, group chanting will make it a whole lot more powerful. Having full faith while you're doing it, way more powerful. Yeah. Just keep tell me your testimonials and everything. Cause shit, you know, I'm still kind of novice at this, low key, to be honest. You know, I ain't no expert. I'm just going hard with this shit because I know for a fact it works. So I want everybody to be rich with me. You know what I'm saying? I want all of y'all to, you know what I'm saying? Because this shit feel good. Like, you know, it's a good feeling. Good feeling. You know. Yeah. Peace out. Love y'all.